Imagine living a long, vibrant life without ever fearing memory loss or confusion. Scientists now say a single daily habit can strengthen your brain, sharpen focus, and protect against dementia naturally. No pills, no side effects, just science-backed results. Watch till the end to discover this life-changing routine that keeps your mind young forever. Brain Sparkle's dementia doesn't start overnight. It creeps in quietly, often years before symptoms appear. You might forget small things, lose focus, or feel mentally drained, blaming it on age or stress. But research shows these early warning signs are your brain's cry for help. The problem? Most people ignore them until it's too late. Dementia affects over 55 million people globally, yet few realize that simple daily actions can drastically reduce their risk. Doctors and neurologists agree. The key to a healthy brain isn't in expensive supplements or complicated diets. It lies in consistent lifestyle habits that nourish brain cells, improve blood flow, and enhance neuron connectivity. One of these habits, backed by groundbreaking neuroscience, can actually rebuild the brain's protective mechanisms. Let's uncover what it is and how you can start today to shield your mind for decades to come. Your brain is a living network of over 86 billion neurons constantly firing and communicating. When we age or live under chronic stress, this network weakens, causing slower processing and memory decline. But here's the good news. Neuroplasticity, the brain's natural ability to repair and rewire itself, never stops. Scientists have discovered that certain daily habits, like intentional movement, deep mental engagement, and proper nutrition, can activate this ability. For instance, just 30 minutes of brisk walking increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that keeps neurons strong and prevents degeneration. It's like giving your brain a fresh reboot every morning. Pair this with mindful breathing or learning something new daily, and you build a mental shield powerful enough to block dementia-related decline for years. What's the single daily habit that can protect your brain forever? It's the combination of mindful physical movement, like walking outdoors, yoga, or stretching, with mental focus. Studies from Harvard and Stanford show that 20 to 30 minutes of active mindfulness, moving while being fully present, improves memory, increases gray matter volume, and stabilizes mood hormones that protect neurons. This habit reduces inflammation, a root cause of dementia, and boosts oxygen supply to the brain, allowing it to repair itself naturally. The best part? You don't need fancy gyms or supplements, just a commitment to move consciously every day. Whether it's a morning walk in sunlight or evening yoga with calm breathing, consistency is what transforms your brain health. The biggest reason people fail to maintain brain health routines is inconsistency. To make this habit effortless, connect it with something you already do daily, like brushing your teeth or having coffee. Set a simple rule: no phone until I've walked 20 minutes. Make your surroundings support this goal. Wear comfortable shoes, keep a refillable water bottle, and start with light background music. Track your progress for 21 days, and you'll notice sharper memory, better focus, and deeper sleep. Your brain loves rhythm and repetition. Give it structure, and it will reward you with clarity and calmness. Think of this as mental insurance. Every step you take today secures decades of mental freedom tomorrow. You hold the power to change your brain's destiny, not through luck, but through daily action. The sooner you begin, the stronger your defense against dementia becomes. The next time you think of skipping your walk or meditation, remember, your brain doesn't get a day off. Each moment of movement and mindfulness rewires you toward longevity and joy. Share this video with someone you love, because protecting your brain is the greatest gift you can give yourself and your family. The science is clear, and the habit is simple. Start today, and you'll thank yourself for decades to come.